So this is the other side, and I'm going to use the purple eyeliner because I have on gray. So purple blends in with gray pretty well as far as makeup. If I have on gray, I'm not going to wear gray makeup. I'm going to choose something that's blends in with it, but and also is different. Okay, so this what I use for the other side, and I'm doing this side, which is like a mauve, kind of in between dark mauve and burgundy color, and it has a little shine to it. Okay, and I chose pink, which I have it on this side, and I chose pink lipstick because it blends in well with the gray. And I did this side, as you can see. I showed one side, and this is the other side. Blend it in. I use two Q-tips a lot. A lot of people use a lot of brushes, but I use a lot of spoons. Okay, so we need to touch up the eyebrows.